Hello my dear brothers and sisters. Now I'll discuss about how to change a domain controller in your Active Directory users and computers. So first of all, you need to open your Active Directory users and computers from this Windows Administrative Tools. Click here and here you can see your domain controller monkey.com is showing up here. If you want to change this domain control to ctc.com and you want to do some work on ctc.com, so you can right click here and select on this change domain controller. Here in this box, if you have any child domain controller in your environment, so you can see your child domain controller here in. If you are not seeing any child domain controller, you can just type it here, the domain controller name. Like here I am typing this domain controller of another forest, and I have already a two-way transitive domain trust in between banky.com and my ctc.com. So here I can type ctc.com domain and I'll just click it here and I'll wait for the status from pending to online. Once it will show online, just I'll select it again and click OK. Now this pop-up box will show this domain controller is in domain ctc.com. You are currently administrating domain banky.com. Do you want to administrate ctc.com by using this ctc.com? It is asking for permission, right? So if you want to administrate ctc.com from your banky-domain.com, so you can click it here, yes, or if you don't want, so you can click no. So here I'm click yes, and I am navigating to this ctc.com, and I am still on banky.com domain controller, right? So from here I can manipulate anything, like here ctc users are there, so I can so here I can see all the record resources of the ctc.com here. So changing a domain controller in another domain controller, it is really easy. If you are in root domain controller and you want to access your child domain controller, you can do it this way, right? So here actually I'm in another forest, so my credentials are limited to do any updation, deletion or creation of any user or any resource objects. But if you are in root domain and you are accessing your child domain, you can have all the access to deletion, updation and creation of any user objects. So don't panic here because you can see there is a grayed out this user creation and user groups because I am already in a different forest and my credentials are limited. Be remember this thing. Okay. So I'm done here. I'll see you in my next video. Up to then, goodbye and thank you.